there it began. I can begin to know it, but then our love was growing strong. It was the spring, and spring became the summer. It sounds a bit like ringtone, silly, came the summer. Couldn't believe you come along. Okay, show me some hands now. Hands in the air. Come on, husband. Touching hands. You can touch hands if you want to. Reaching out. Reach out next to you. Touching me. Touching you. Oh, sweet Caroline. Good times never seem so good. You see, it's fun, isn't it? Oh, I'm feeling right. You had to believe it never would, but now I...
Hello. Oh, and butterfly wings too. Beautiful.
On my shoulder, how can I hurt when holding?
The one raffle sheet is for a honeymoon chalet at Leopard Rock. And the other one is for our annual hospice Valentine hamper, 10 rand. I'm going to go from an empty balloon to a weekend holiday in that balloon. Our Father, you have taught us to show compassion and mercy to the sick and the suffering. Give us the grace and the strength to show love and compassion to those afflicted with life-threatening illnesses. Grant that, through the power you only can give us, our hospice may continue in this area for the comfort and relief of the dying and the bereaved. Bless and guide those involved in planning the hospice. Inspire many to offer support. Through prayer and giving, we ask this in your name. Amen.
Is that your balloon, Win? Yes. You wanted in the balloon.
You will get a leaflet with the rules and regulations and entry form. With a pen that you will take home, okay? And then by the 6th of June she'll be returned. You'll have named her, dressed her, faced her, and just what not there, whatever. And you'll have put your entry form onto her hand. Put it back in her bag, bring it back to us.
Keep shouting, keep smiling. You know that's what friends are for. Thank you, Hospice, for what you're doing. We love you. And thank you, ladies and all gentlemen, for your support today. God bless you, and take care of yourself. Thank you.